Hello everyone, this is Kid here, and today we're going to be doing some science stuff with middle schoolers. I'm actually outside of the school right now, and in the back of my truck I have this crazy looking contraption. It is actually a bicycle powered blender that I actually pieced together using a bunch of bicycles. I apologize about the bright sunlight. It's that time of year, so it's not quite summer, but it's definitely hot standing in the sun. As you can see, my face is a little bit sweaty. I need to grab some things here, and then we're gonna walk into the building. So I'm getting ready to walk back to the truck again. I brought my first set of materials over. Now I have to go get the blender bicycle. So this is the blender bicycle. Basically, it's 3 different bicycles. We have the rear 3/4 to roughly the stem that's cut off. We have part of the seat that was cut off here, and I welded it onto here. We have our front forks and handlebars from a children's Paw Patrol bicycle. And then the third one is actually located right here, which is made out of a rear wheel. And we have a drill truck right here that's used for the driver for the actual deal. So we're gonna go ahead and wheel this thing inside. Sorry I can't record while moving this thing, it's pretty heavy. Great job. Huh?
Something doesn't feel right.
Yeah, if you want to, that's fine. Keep going. There you go, good job. You just need a consistent speed.
What if I just stand up?
It's gonna be more difficult if you do that.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Oh, that is. Why is it?
Yummy.
So I just got out of the school. The kids had a lot of fun. They learned about mechanical engineering, learned about different types of machines, work advantage. They also got a little bit of exercise and something healthy as far as a alternative snack. I provided bananas, strawberries, so they could have banana shakes, strawberry shakes, or strawberry bananas. One thing I tried to check ahead of time, make sure that there's no students that have any allergies, no students that are lactose intolerant. I try to be as prepared as possible. With this particular design, this is actually the 3rd one I've designed. Having kid tested stuff, kids are some of the roughest consumers ever. Like, if you give a kid something, the kid will most likely break it. And the reason why this is the 3rd one that I built, the first one was actually just an actual full-size bicycle with a stand on the back wheel. It worked great, but I noticed a lot of students, as they're pedaling, they wanted to see the progress that they're making. So putting it in front of them was really important. On the second version, I made it to where you could pedal frontwards or backwards. But the problem with that is students would stand up on the bicycle like they're being chased by a dog, and that thing would literally teeter-totter back and forth, and I wanted to make sure that no students were getting hurt on it. So I redesigned it a 3rd time, which is the current design that I have in the back of my truck. This one you have to pedal backwards, and it forces students to sit as they're pedaling because of the angle of everything. So students have to sit and they have to pedal backwards. It prevents students from standing up, prevents that thing from wobbling like crazy. It's sturdy, the kids are safe, and they can actually see what they're doing, so it works out great. Hopefully this gives some of you ideas if you teach kids. It's a great activity to do. For the availability of this thing, I know there are places that actually sell this. I don't recommend it just because it's so expensive. For what it is, obviously if you're going for something that's for looks or show, and you're a vendor, then yes, you'll probably end up spending $400 to $600 on it. The fact that you're using it for commercial purposes is great. If you're at home parent teaching STEM or trying to do something for class, if you're interested in building one of these, let me know. I'll send you the explanation and some plans on how to build it. I know there's a couple of other people on YouTube that have built several different versions. The whole concept is the same, with having the bicycle wheel that spins and then being able to convert the power to a 90-degree angle. That way it drives your pitcher and the blade in there. So I hope everyone's having a wonderful week. This is Kid Hero, and I'll see you next time.